think women and children suffer a lot during the war. And the worst part is that most of them don't even know what the war was all about.
You can't even imagine the situation, the warlike situation we were in.
If onye pụrụ na-achọ ọbịa dị n'eli, agụụ na-egbu ụfọdụ dịkwa ndụ. Etu a ka anyị si wee na-atanya bụ agụụ na nsogbu.
Ncheta ihe gbasara agha ahụ na-enye m shock.
Ife anyị jelu n'ụkwụ nkọbi akọba kedu nke m ga-akọghara ibe.
A lot of women were very useful to us. We could not have done without our women.
I think the fact is that people are not talking, because these are human beings who put their life on the line, for the protection of others.
So I met to okwu agha nnu agha sibiku na-ekwuzi n'okwu agha na n'akụkụ because ama m ihe ngabiga during the war. Atara m ahụhụ during the war, so I don't want to see that agha again.